Okay, so let's just say that what I have here is the finished Figma prototype. Okay. Now, how can you show people how to view the Figma prototype? What we need is the link. Now, everyone just watch this. So let's just say I've just clicked on preview. Okay. And this is the whole site working inside the laptop screen. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the prototype. So everyone just watch this. I'm sharing the prototype. Now, all I'm going to do is copy this link. So this is that link. That's the URL address. Okay. So now I've done that. What that means is if I came to a browser, I can just paste that into the browser and there it is. So how do you give someone that link? Now, do you know that InDesign actually has a way in which we can view this? So what I'm going to do I could actually just create a new page, or let's just say that sitemap. Okay, let's just say here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say view Figma prototype. Okay. Now I could actually make this into, I'll just change this here so I can see what I'm doing. Make a color, object. Actually, I'll just come in over here. Type, paragraph. Let's just make it center align. I'll go to object, text frame options. Let's just put it in the center. There we go. Now I'm going to make this into a button that goes to, actually I could go object, corner options. Let's just make it all rounded. There we are, make it look like a button. So just have a look here. Not many people know this. Window, interactive. So it's in here that I used to build apps that were available to download from the App Store. Buttons and forms. And so I'm going to make this into a button. The button will go to a URL address and it's in here. I'm going to paste it. Now, please note, all websites begin with HTTPS://. Okay. When I created this, when I first opened it up, it just had HTTP. So I've just got to copy and paste over the top of it. I could get fancy and give it a rollover. Okay, so as I roll over it, it'll change color. And that's done. So now, file, export, interactive PDF. Okay, not print. And let's just say I'll make this Figma. All right. So this probably won't work because I'm in preview. So I'll quit my preview. So I'll come back. There it is. If I open it, this is how I get all my diploma students submitting their work. I don't need to actually open it in Acrobat. I can actually open it in Chrome. You're watching the magic. There's my rollover. I click on it. It's just taken me to that Figma site.
With the Figma link, is that for the site that's for the preview in its current state, or does that add it like down?
What I did was I clicked on this page,
Yeah.
and I went to preview.
If you edit the actual Figma, would that still be reflected?
It's the same link.
It's the same
Yeah.
link, okay.
Yeah. Because that way the buttons work. Okay, and so what that means is all your buttons will actually work in Figma. Okay, and the good thing about that is if you wanted to share it, anyone can look at this on their phone and operate it as well. Okay, so just showing you. So there we go. See, this all works. All good. Okay. So just getting back to it. This is an option. All right. I think that it's asking that you just do screenshots. Okay. Of your pages. That is fine. Okay. Just following this. But if you wanted to actually make it with that link, you're able to do it. It's a good little thing to do, just so that you can make little pages that you can share with people, what be birthday invites or parties, things that work like real websites. Okay, so there is that option.